Hi guys, and happy almost Thanksgiving. I'm so excited to share this dish with you today. I am going to be showing you how to make a green bean, just kind of canned green bean situation. I actually love green bean casserole. However, there's a ton of kids at our Thanksgiving table who will not eat it. So I always make kind of an alternative. And this one is really affordable and it's really delicious. Fresh green beans can be quite pricey. So if you can get them canned, perfect. So I love it because it's A, affordable, and B, it's delicious. So what's not to like about it? With that said, I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. And if you do like it, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now. And if you hear someone in the background, it's Gabe having a little tantrum. So have a good day. Bye, guys.